Good morning, you guys. I sort of in a rush, but I can't rush obviously because I can't speed, but I didn't feel like getting out of bed. Like, I'm not tired per se, but I don't know. I just wanted to stay in bed. It's cloudy, it's yucky, it's gross. It's not raining though. So it means that I have to go in. If it was raining, I could stay home. But it is not. So, anyways, I'm drinking raspberry lemonade. Okay, buddy, you should have waited for me to go, but thanks anyways. Yeah, so today is Friday. Yay for Friday. Not that really Fridays bother me, but I have to go to the bank tomorrow, I think. Do deposit, get change for the stadium for next week, get all that stuff organized. And yeah, so I still kind of have to work tomorrow, so not for too long though. Last night I had my art journaling class. It was really super good. I didn't really learn anything just because I've art journaled now for quite a few years, but I went as support for a friend. So yeah, it was fun though. It was fun. It was nice to get out and do something different. And then Chris and I went out to eat just because we were both done kind of at the same time. And I did not feel like cooking anything. And we only have a little bit of chicken leftovers, and I had chicken leftovers for lunch, so I didn't really want to have that. So we went to Wendy's, which you would see in my previous video. I think I made good choices. I don't know, like the Baconator is good. It's got lots of protein and fat and stuff. And then the Southwest salad that I got had avocado on it and cheese. And I didn't use the dressing at all. So I just used the avocado as the dressing. So that was good. Our Wendy's don't have the cheese wisps as croutons yet. Don't ask me why. I mean, the States has had them for a while, but so I did not have a Caesar salad. And I'm glad I made the choice that I did, because having avocado on it and all of that just made it even better, because then I didn't need the dressing. So anyways, today I've got a new low weight. Yay. So I am now at 204 point something. I don't know. I don't really pay attention to the points because that will fluctuate for a while. So I expect it to kind of fluctuate around that, but having a new low is awesome. So it is 2 pounds down from my last low, which is awesome. And I feel great. I feel excited. And I'm at work, so I gotta go. But I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you guys when I eat. I don't know. I might do the same thing I had yesterday and have like that taco salad. I have to go pick up some more salad though. So yeah, and I am hoping, I'm not too sure what we're gonna make for dinner, but I'm kind of thinking maybe steak with cowboy sauce, because I'm kind of craving that. But we will see what it does for the weather, because it could rain. So anyways, I will see you when I eat. Hey Hey guys, Lindsay here. So I'm being a little bit boring and having sort of the same lunch as I did yesterday, except I'm gonna have them in lettuce wraps instead of salad. I think I'm just gonna have 2. It is 6:51, so I'm pretty late having lunch and I am starving. So I'm gonna see how much. Come on, 0 out. Here, we'll just shut it off and turn it on because I put the lettuce on after I turned on the scale. So I wanted to weigh out the chicken. I'm not too worried about the lettuce itself, but I did want to weigh out the chicken to find out how much I'm having so that I can add it to Carb Manager. So yeah, so I'm just having these as a wrap just to try and use up this chicken. It's still super good. 3 days. Like, I usually get 3 or 4 meals out of it, which is quite nice. This is, I believe, 3 chicken breasts we did in total from the other night. And yeah, so I think I'm going to try and shoot for like 6 ounces of chicken. And then Chris will probably just finish it off maybe tonight as a snack. Yeah, it's close enough, 6:03. So there's a little bit left, excuse me, for Chris for a snack tonight when he gets home from volleyball. And yeah, so I'm gonna have that. I can have 2 tablespoons of sour cream. So I'm just gonna estimate that. That's close to 1. I'm not very good at spreading out sour cream, but that's okay. And then it should be close to 2. I didn't measure. That's okay though. So there. And then I'm gonna add a little sprinkle of cheese and call it a day because I am starving. So I don't think I'm going to use much cheese, like maybe a tablespoon on each approximately. Oh, that's not quite. Nope. There we go. It's probably closer. I'm just using up this cheese and yeah, so that's good, I think. And I'm gonna go ahead and eat those. I stole some tomatoes from my friend's garden, and so I'm gonna pop those on my plate. I washed them, and then yeah, yum. So he has, like, all he has is tomato plants in his little garden because we all have tiny decks. So he just got some plants from a customer, I think he said, and yeah, so he decided to grow them. And I sent him a text message and said I stole a couple of your tomatoes off the thing, and he goes, LOL, okay. So I think I'm all right. He did offer them to me before and say, you know, if you see a red one, go ahead and take them, because sometimes he doesn't notice. By the time he gets home for the day, it's pretty dark outside, and so he doesn't see them. So anyways, so I'm gonna have this for lunch, and I will see you men to make dinner. We're making steak, and we're gonna have salad. And I'm gonna make the cowboy sauce as well for my steak. So I'm excited for that because that is one of my favorites. So I will see you when we eat dinner. Hey guys, so I'm sitting outside and watching a little bit of Netflix while I relax, and I needed to have approximately 29 more grams of protein tonight. So I thought I would have some skyr yogurt, and I mixed in some sweet drops into it just to make it sweet because I just bought plain yogurt, which I'm usually okay with, but I thought just for a treat I would add a few sweet drops in. And so yeah, so this is 3/4 of a cup of the skyr yogurt, and it's 22 grams of protein, so really good. Really good way to get a little bit extra protein in. And so I'm gonna have that, and then I still haven't had dinner yet, but that should be coming in a couple of hours once Chris is done his volleyball. So I will see you then. Hey guys, so I just about forgot to film dinner. I was gonna have steak and salad, but I'm too full still from lunch, so I'm just having steak and cowboy sauce. So that is it for today. Chris is having steak and salad. Say hi, Chris.
I probably have something stuck in my teeth.
Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna eat this, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. I hope you have a great night, and thanks so much for watching.